Biology, Part 195. Reproduction in flowering plants. Asexual reproduction. Our tutorial describes the main methods of asexual and sexual reproduction used by flowering plants. The evolutionary significance of the sexual mechanism in relationship with other plant groups are discussed in the forthcoming tutorial. In asexual reproduction, a single parent organism produces offspring which are genetically identical to each other and to the parents. In plants, this may occur by vegetative propagation, that is, by development from a non-sexual part of the plant, such as the root, stem, or leaf, which gives rise to the new differentiated tissues and later separates to become a new individual. Typical methods of the vegetative propagation include the development of horizontal stems and stolons, like those of the strawberry, which grow along the surface of the ground. Adventitious roots anchor the stolon at nodes, where complete new plants are formed. The rhizomes are horizontal underground stems which spread in a similar way. Generally, they are thickened and swollen with food reserves, as in couch grass, a common garden weed. Couch grass is very difficult to eradicate because any small section of rhizome with one or more lateral buds left in the ground is likely to produce a new plant. Pots of a plant which are specialized to give rise to the new individuals are called the propagules. Sometimes these are separated from the present at an early stage, as in the case of plantlets produced at the leaf margins of the bryophyllum, described and illustrated in our previous tutorial. In other species, propagules may have an additional function in helping the plant to survive unfavorable conditions. Overwintering structures like bulbs, combs, tubers, swollen rhizomes are called the organs of perennation. A chorus comb is formed by the translocation of food from leaves and subsequent storage in a short underground stem. Apical lateral burls within the corym may give rise to the individuals in the following year. At the base of the comb, adventitious roots anchor the plant and absorb water and nutrients. In addition, some of them become contractile and put the base of the plant downwards, crushing the remains of the last season's comb. Artificial methods of vegetative propagation are of great importance because the genetic uniformity of the new plants produced. House often propagated using small pots of the leaves, or called the which roots and grow to become new, often with the aid of hormones. Favorable of apples, oranges, and other fruit crops are created by grafting, in which a branch or a bud called is attached to the stem and the roots of the host plant called stalk. The merismatic region of the two plants in contact, they will often fuse to form a single plant. We call it grafting, in which a branch or a bud called the stem is attached to the stem and the root of the host plant is called stalk. They, in fact, breed fruit trees and roses produced commercially in this way by grafting. Mangoes produced by grafting. Popular varieties originating a single individual have been propagated repeatedly to produce millions of new individuals. Same desirable feature For example, all in Macintosh red apples are genetically